Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to back up your Telegram wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, backing up your Telegram wallet is very crucial for ensuring that you can access your funds or assets in case something happens to your device or the application. So, in order to prevent loss of any funds, and in order to add extra layer of security to your account, you need to make sure that you back up your Telegram wallet. So, in order to do it, you first need to launch your Telegram app, and then you need to tap on the wallet chat to access your wallet. Once you are in your wallet section, you need to tap on the gear icon in the top left-hand corner, and here you will be able to see the Show Tone Space option beta. You just have to turn the toggle button on right next to it in order to enable the tone space. On the home page now, you need to tap on Tone Space Beta, and it will show you to recover your tone space with Telegram backup. So in order to recover it, you just have to tap on Recover Tone Space. And as you can see, they have sent a 6-digit verification code on the registered email. So you just have to launch your email address, copy the code from there, and then paste it over here. After that, you just have to wait for some time. It will then show you your wallet has just been imported. Now, you just have to tap on View Wallet, and then it will show you your seed phrase, which you just have to copy somewhere safe. So that's basically how you can back up your Telegram wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.